Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make pasta using cooking cream. I know you're wondering how to achieve this at the same time. You want to have a sloppy pasta that is also not cloggy. So today I'm going to bring you the perfect recipe for this pasta. First, you want to parboil your pasta with a little bit of vegetable oil. This will help it not to be clogging. Parboil your pasta and drain it. Then we are going to go right into preparing the sauce. Add in a little vegetable oil into your pan, going with your onion. You want to fry this onion for some time. Then you're going to go in with a little tomato paste. Fry this so that your tomato does not taste raw again. Don't worry, you can skip the fresh tomato for this pasta. We just need this tomato paste to make our pasta. Then you're going to go in with your spice. I used the spicy tea stew, and I also used some curry powder. I went in with some seasoning cube and some salt. I'm going to stir this and allow to cook for a little while. Then I'm going to go in with some fresh pepper and some crayfish, and I'm going to allow to cook. I'll go in with a little water when I'm done adding my crayfish so that the sauce cooks for a bit. Going with a little water, allow it to cook for a bit and add in a little extra water. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification and stay updated for more recipes coming your way. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for coming back. I love you. At this point, we are going to go in with our cooking cream. This cooking cream was made with a little bit of corn flour and milk with butter. I made this at home. It's a homemade cooking cream recipe. If you want this recipe, do leave a comment and I'll make a video of how I made the cooking cream that I used for this pasta. So when you've stirred this together, you want to go in with your parboiled pasta now. Give this a good stir so everything combines nicely. Now you're going to go in with some egg. This egg, I have posted a video of how I made this egg. It's cooked, okay, but then I added a little spice and pepper to the egg. I cooked it, and that's what I'm adding to this pasta now. Is it cooked egg? I don't know what I'll call this, but the video is up on my channel. And then I'm going to go with some plantain, some fried plantain. I'm going to combine this, gently stir this very well so everything combines together. I'll add a little water into it. I'll cover it and allow it to simmer until the water has dried up a bit. Our pasta is ready to be served. Guys, this pasta came out so delicious, so nice. The taste, everything was so perfect about this pasta. You want to try your pasta this way, and I tell you, you will enjoy making your pasta this way. Everybody is going to love it, and you're going to get addicted. Guys, this was the outcome. It was so delicious. Do give this a try, and if you try this recipe, let me know. Tell me what you think about it. Till next time, bye.